I hope you all are in your good health. So today we will study the poem What's in the Mailbox. Okay? So moving on, first of all, I would like to know, have you ever received a letter? I hope very few people have received the letter in my class, right? Okay. Have you seen a mailbox? A mailbox is in red color. Have you seen near a post office? If you haven't seen, then do visit the post office. Okay, your nearby post office, if you visit, you will get to know what is a mailbox. And if you haven't received a letter or if you haven't seen a mailbox, then don't worry. Let us recite the poem and understand what is a letter and what does a letter mean to us and what is a mailbox. Okay, so let's recite the poem What's in the Mailbox and learn the meaning. Moving on to the poem. What's in the mailbox? Most always, when the postman comes with letters, 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters, though. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letter too. See students, the unit number 8, What's in the Mailbox, is full of letters, mailbox, a child sitting and thinking, and a postman is shown in the picture. A mother here is shown, right? So here in the first stanza, most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, that means very often or always, in most of the time, the postman comes. Okay, here in the picture you can see the postman. Okay, this is the postman who brings letter. Letter means this one, you see here, it's given in the picture, can you see? And here the postman brings the letter. He brings 2 or 3. It might be more than 2 or less than 3 or 4. So here it is given that he brings letter 2 or 3. And then next line, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. Yes, the letters which he bring, as you can see here, the postman is bringing a letter in the picture. Sorry. As you can see in the picture, the postman is bringing a letter for the mother and the postman brings the letter for the dad also. But the girl or the boy does not receive any letter. Okay? So it's very sad for the girl. Okay? So she does not receive any letter and mostly the mother and father receives the letter. Next stanza, let's see. I am going to write some letters, though. Okay, if I don't receive the letter, then it's okay. I will write the letter. The girl is thinking that she will write the letter. Okay, that's what I am going to do. So that is the thing that she is going to do. What is the thing she is going to do? She is going to write some letters. Okay, and then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. So the girl here will write the letter to her friends and she will receive the letter from her friends. Okay, so in that manner she will make the conversation with the help of a letter. Okay, because like her mother and father, she also wants to receive a letter. So students, do write a letter and see if you get the answer for that letter or if you also receive the letter or not. Okay? So what's in the mailbox? The letters are there in the mailbox. We got the answer and the girl is waiting for a receiving letter. Okay, and she will write a letter and she will get a letter, right? So, in this poem, overall, the postman comes with 2 or 3 letters. Her mother and father mostly received the letter, and she has not received any of the letters. And now she is thinking to write a letter to her friend and then receive the letter from that particular friend. Okay? Now, let's move on to the new words. See, the first word is the letters. Letters. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another through a medium. Okay. Letters, as you can see in the picture, this is the letter, this is a letter. So, letter is a message conveying medium from one person to another, from one office to another office. Okay. Always, here always in the poem means at all time, on all occasion. Okay, and most always, most of the time, that means all the time her mother and father receives the letter. Never, at no time in the past or future, not ever. It did not took place. That means never means she did not receive any of the letter any time. Okay, never means at no time in the past or future, or not ever. Thought, despite the fact, though, despite the fact that, yes, I am going to write some letters, though. Though means despite the fact that I don't receive the letter, but I will write the letter. Okay, so these are few of the new words in that you find in the poem, and if you have many new words, then do write it in your copies, and if you have any doubt, kindly consult with me. So, today we end with this video of what's in the mail box. So, thank you students.